All right, we're gonna show you how to install the hood handle mount. Very simple. Got a T30 star head. It's a barrel nut, so you gotta hold both sides. You can get this loose. And if you don't have two T30s, this is actually a T27. It holds it well enough to actually get it apart. And then take out this next one and we'll move on to the next step. All right, so go ahead and peel the backing off. And then get the holes lined up. Make sure that you're not touching the paint. You gotta have a gap there. You could put, these in here is you're gonna put the barrel side, facing out. Just to help you line things up. Then once you know you've got it lined up, nothing touching paint. And you got just how you want it. Then you go ahead and push on here. Yeah, we'll come back and push more later, but we can go ahead and get these installed. You're gonna put a washer on it. We're gonna add some thread locker, and then use two 4mm Allen wrenches to get them screwed into each other. Just get them started, leave it in there loose. So that you can still do any movement you might need to. Then go ahead and do the next one with the thread locker. Get it installed, tighten them up, make sure your front is sticking good, and you're good to go.